Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Mailchimp for dropshipping email marketing, complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, sign in to your Mailchimp account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Audience tab located on the left sidebar.
If you haven't created an audience yet, click on Create Audience.
Fill out the required fields, such as audience name and default email address. Next, import your contacts.
You can do this by clicking on Manage Audience and selecting Import Contacts.
Choose the method you prefer, whether it's uploading a CSV file or copying and pasting from another source. Once your contacts are imported, ensure you collect the necessary information, like names and email addresses. Now it's time to create your first email campaign. Head to the Campaigns tab in the left sidebar.
Click on the Create Campaign button.
Select email from the options provided. Choose a name for your campaign that reflects your dropshipping business. Next, select your audience for this campaign.
Mailchimp will prompt you to choose your audience, so select the one you just created.
After that, you will set up the email's content. Choose a template that suits your branding. Mailchimp offers various templates that you can customize. Add engaging visuals and your brand colors to make your email stand out. Write a compelling subject line to entice your recipients to open your email.
Then, add personalized content that speaks to your audience. Make sure to include your dropshipping products, benefits, and promotional offers. Include clear calls to action, directing readers to your website or product pages.
Once your content is set, you can preview your email.
Click on the Preview and Test option to see how it will look on different devices. Make any necessary adjustments before moving forward.
Now it's time to schedule or send your email.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.